Hurricane Katrina made landfall on August 29, 2005 as a Category 3 storm, with winds reaching speeds of up to 125 miles per hour. But the destruction caused by the storm wasn't just from wind. It was exacerbated by the failure of the levee system in New Orleans, leading to catastrophic flooding that submerged 80% of the city. As we delve deeper into the timeline of Hurricane Katrina, we'll examine the inadequate response from government agencies and the slow evacuation efforts that left thousands of residents stranded and without access to essential resources. The images of people stranded on rooftops and seeking refuge in overcrowded shelters shocked the world and highlighted the need for better disaster preparedness and response protocols.